Hello and welcome to the Z Hut. I'm Jay, and today I got a quick little cooking video for you. How to cook hot dogs on a hot plate or stove. And this is going to be electric, of course. I would not recommend this with a gas stove. But we're going to see how to cook hot dogs without water, a pot, or a pan. Nothing except, let me grab one here. We're going to need our hot dog, a metal fork. Please do not use plastic fork. Will not work. Place hot dog on fork like so. Then hold a few inches over hot plate. And it doesn't take very long, but hand holding it's fine. But I'm out here in the shop and I've got tools. So I got my little helping hands here. I've got that about 2 inches above. And I just got a cordless drill battery here to add some weight to it so it doesn't tip onto the hot plate. Basically what we're doing, when you were a kid, you ever roasted hot dogs over the fire, campfire outside? We're doing a similar thing, except we're using a hot plate or a stove. And you can do this indoors. I'm actually doing it in my garage. When I'm working out in the shop, I really don't like to have to go into the house to cook lunch. I have a hot plate out here, a rice cooker, and a microwave in between the three. I mean, with the rice cooker, you can heat up soups, cook chicken, even cook a pot pie in them. You got the microwave, and then you got the hot plate. Between them three items, I can cook almost anything out here, keep working, not have to clean up, go in the house. And a lot of times I'll even cook dinner while I'm working out in the shop. I spend a lot of time out here. Oh, hold on one second. Got a phone call. Oh, nobody I know, so we'll get back to it. Sorry about the interruption here. Oh, I forgot to hit the start. I will when we flip it over on the side too. I can see the timer on the camera, so I know about how long it takes before we got to flip it. It's about, depending on how high the hot dog is from your hot plate burner or your stove burner, it's going to be between 2.5 and 3 minutes. I do not recommend trying to do this with brats. Now, you know, some brats are pre-cooked, but the thing is, trying to heat them up this way, they might pop and explode. I would recommend doing them on a grill. You can try it. You can try anything you want. Oh, quick disclaimer, if you do try to do this, you burn your house down, you burn yourself, you get electrocuted, whatever. We're not liable in any way, shape, form, or how. This video is for educational purposes only and entertainment. It's getting close to being time to flip it. See here, anything else I can think of? Because when we flip it, what I'll do is I'll put the camera on high speed so you don't have to sit here for 3 more minutes. Yeah, I just got a helping hand to hold it on the fork. Now remember, when you go to pull this off, this fork is going to be a little on the warm side. And I will tell you right now, this is going to taste better than cooking a hot dog in a microwave. Anything, even boiling hot dogs, taste better than a microwave. The worst case scenario, I'll put a hot dog in a microwave, is if I need to leave right now and I'm starving. I don't want to stop at a gas station. I just want, throw 2 hot dogs in there, throw it on 2 pieces of bread, eat them while I'm in the vehicle. Out the door I go. I'm looking, it's almost, I think I got it a little higher than I normally do. But, all right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip it. I think, oh yeah, perfect. As you can see, it's got that golden brown look. Now, if you've ever gotten your hot dogs at a gas station off those roller burners, thingies, whatever they call them, they kind of have that golden brown. And they also taste really good. And that's the thing. These are going to taste better than if you microwave. And my personal opinion is they taste better than if you boil them. Now, I will admit, cooking them on an open fire, if you do it the right way, where you're not burning them, turning them black, you're getting that smoke flavor in there. Yes, that is the ultimate way to cook them, but I remember to hit the timer. Okay, we'll add about 5 seconds onto it. All right, I'm going to put the video on turbo speed for about the next 3 minutes, and we'll come back and look at the finished hot dog. So I'll catch you back in just a second. All right, we just hit the 3-minute mark, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the hot plate off. Stop that. We went 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Now remember, the fork is going to be warm. Look at that. That hot dog is cooked perfect. Now remember, you could do 2, and you don't have to have helping hands. You can sit there and hold it. I mean, you're only talking 3 minutes each side, 6 minutes. That's not that long. Sit there, 2 forks, cook the hot dog on both sides. Myself, usually I'm having hot dogs for lunch. I'll have like 2 of them. Then I'll grab a cucumber or tomato out of the garden. That's lunch. So now we just need our bun, or in my case, I just got some bread. Then whatever kind of relish or ketchup, or I'll put a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard. It didn't have no relish. But there we go. How to cook a hot dog on a hot plate or stove. No pots, pans, water needed. Just a fork and your hot dog. And if you have it, a helping hands. Well, I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it big time. So with that, well, I hope you have a great day.